Ka MLA jok isilong ke Dr. Amperi Lendo. Kalau betip bentuk kesengi pasien nak ilang ki bos nam ki bos Sorkar ki sapun kerja no ikinong di madan kebujudan nak kita Laitumkhrah. Ya kan ile tu hadirin bakal kendu iki nolam joki dabas nang bakam juru iki bot rikam joki officer joka tanat PHE. Ka Dr. Amperi tu bakal jemput kerja no iki kinong di madan de namar ka kapnya pelat kaltiya kabla penuit iki bebun ki pajba. Baka je penggerak iki kan rak ka kelut bakam juru kan rak ka sengai ki dong ya dong yang kemudian nak kita Laitumkhrah bat ki de ki jaka.
The relocation of the hawkers. We are now ready with the entire plan. Necessary surveys have been done as per norms and recommendations of the vendors policy, national vendors policy, hawkers policy, and we will shortly be able to relocate these vendors from police point to beat house in the interest of public, in the interest of not disrupting and occupying spaces which were meant for pedestrian way of riding. Looks like everything is in order, and we hope that the vendors committee will be able to fast track this, and I hope and I'm crossing my fingers that everything will go well by the 10th to 15th. In between these days we will issue the relocation to these various hawkers, and we look forward to a hawker free zone, because this is very important for us to understand. That is an important way where all people, whether students, office goers, citizens and residents of Laitumkhrah and neighboring places work. I do not anticipate that we'll have much of a problem anymore, because we have gone as per the Hawkers Act, and I hope that we will be able to do this. This is just one of the things that we have decided in that meeting. We have also had the opportunity to interact with traffic personnel in the leadership of Additional Secretary Shakil Ahmed sir, and we have decided that we have requested the Darbar Pulun to go back to its executive committee to present before the executive committee the necessity of changing the entire ring road of Laitumkhrah towards Dankiti and then Beat House and back. We are considering a one-way in that area, and we are going to also be looking at all one-ways within auxiliary roads around the main ring road around Laitumkhrah. If everybody is on the same page and if we are all in agreement, there is a high probability that we will again revert to a one-way around that area. The direction of this one-way will again be decided by the Darbar committee along with the executive committee of the Darbar, because this is important, and I hope that that would also be good, and we would also be able to ease traffic congestion in this very important ring road, especially once institutes open. We have also decided that we will make Veronica Lane, which is the area where we will have the hawkers relocation, to be a no traffic entry zone for a certain period during the day, so that we ease the traffic congestion, especially in the interest of the people who are differently able students who are studying in the 2-3 institutes located in that area. I do not foresee that we will have much of a problem, but if this Veronica Lane is made one way at certain hours of the day, then I think it would also ease safety issues as well as congestion issues as well as random parking on the Veronica Lane. Because obviously this matter is now being taken up by the vendors committees and the vendors, members of the vendors committees across Shillong City. I know for sure that in Laitumkhrah, because we have taken initiative with the help of the Darbar, this likely transition will be much more simpler, much more in order, So hence we have offered and we are making these provisions. And once everything is done, then we will have the construction of the kiosks for minimum protection of hawkers from the rain, from the sun, and from adverse weather conditions. We will be giving them a toilet. We will be giving them a single room go down in Laitumkhrah area, in the market area, so that at least the vendors don't have to keep lugging these materials up and down. We will also be providing them a toilet. We'll be providing them safe water drinking or opportunities. So all of this is a consolidated package, and I hope that it will be good for all.
How many